Tired of opening extra menus just to find nearby devices when sharing? With a simple setting, you can make nearby devices appear right on your share panel, so you can send photos or files even faster with quick share. To do so, go to setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap settings icon, tap connected devices, tap quick share, and then enable show available devices on share panel. To see how it works, open gallery, select a photo, and tap share icon. Now you will see available devices directly on the share panel. Tap 1 to send instantly via quick share. This feature helps you share files quicker without needing to open the full quick share screen first. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.